Hey, what's up guys? We're doing an unboxing here from Airsoft Megastore. So let's get into it. We got a packing slip. What do we have? We got plastic! We got plastic! That's about it. Good. Gus, you're taking up the video camera. Come on, buddy. Oh. Hold on. Alright, we're back. This is my chest rig, Condor Outdoor, that I have ordered. It's pretty beastly. Let's check it out. Here we go. Has 3 main pouches right here. I don't know if you can see that. 3 main pouches, a little dump pouch, an integrated radio carrier, and another pretty big dump pouch, I guess you could say. I'll probably be using it actually for like more magazines or pistol mags. Right here. And it's just because you can fit a lot of MP5 mags in one of these. So I got that. Yeah, I got an integrated radio pouch right here. I'll probably just put my walkie-talkie in that. Got this. I'll probably use my left one for the dump pouch and the right one for, you know, the speed loader. Extra set of goggles in case my face gets hot with the full face mask. Screwdriver, toolkit, all that, you know. So that's it. I'm gonna get a loadout video coming pretty soon. So, hope you like that. That was a pretty short unboxing, but, you know, that's what it is. A flashlight. Yeah, that's the unboxing for today. Sorry it was so short. Let's get a last minute view. Out comes the dog. Yeah. I like that. Gus. Gus. Say it. Alright guys, please subscribe, comment, like, thumbs up, and view my other videos, but mostly try to subscribe. So that's it. Alright guys, bye.